This is Sony's new Sony RX Mark VI, and I'm going to go through 5 of the best new features on this camera. Let's go. So if you guys have been following the WhatGear channel, you'll know that I've been using this camera lately on my holidays, and I actually compared it to the Huawei P20 Pro triple camera smartphone. And if you want to see how this done against that, make sure you follow the link to that video at the end of this video. But anyway, let's not waste any more time now. Let me show you 5 of the new features that I really like about this version of the RX100. So number 1, the pop-up EVF now has a single action, whereas before you used to have to kind of pop it up and pull it out to get it to work. And now it's just a single action. Much easier, much better. It has a really fluid motion, and I can't say enough good things about the EVF on this camera. It's really good. So another really awesome new feature to this version of the camera is now you can shoot 233 shots at 24 frames per second, whereas the Mark V could only do 150 shots continuous. So that's a massive upgrade there, and definitely a good reason maybe to upgrade from your older RX100. So number 3, I'm a massive fan of other YouTubers out there who do tech reviews, and quite a lot of them use this sort of top-down filming, and it's something I want to do in the future. But with this camera, you've got a new feature where the screen here can actually now tilt all the way down to 90 degrees, which means you can have the camera like that and actually see what you're shooting. So for example, if you want to shoot food or anything like that, this is really cool. Put this on a tripod as well, and you can actually see what you're shooting directly downwards. That's an awesome new feature to this LCD on the back. You still got the classic style sort of adjustments that you could do before, but now you've got that 90-degree downward angle on the LCD as well, which is just awesome. I really love this new upgrade that Sony have added to this one. So number 4, and this is a cool one, but it's not quite cool enough yet in my opinion. They've actually put a touchscreen on here now for the first time, and it's something that people have been asking for. There's touchscreens everywhere, on every phone or on every tablet. I'm sure they've got the technology to do it, but they've added a touchscreen here, but it's quite limited. You can actually take photos and focus now by touching the screen itself. I don't know why Sony haven't added in more features with the touchscreen. I'm sure they'll probably do it in the future, maybe the Mark 7 next year, but that's a nice addition to the previous version of the camera. So when you're shooting using the screen and not the EVF, you can literally touch the screen, focus the camera, and even take a photo using the touchscreen itself. That's pretty awesome. And the last awesome upgrade that I'm going to mention, there is more stuff, don't get me wrong, but this is awesome. I really like this. It's the new 20 to 200mm Zeiss lens that they've put on this thing, which makes zooming in super easy, and you get really awesome images as well. The stabilization as you're zooming in is just so smooth. Just a great feature to be able to zoom in a bit further than before. Some people might complain because the Mark V had certain features which this now doesn't have. For videographers, maybe you might want to lean towards the Mark V, which is a lot cheaper right now. I think it's around £650 at the time of this video. That might be a better option for you. This is over £1,000, so it's a massive saving, and I do like this one. Is it as good as the previous one? I think it's better. Is the last one still worth buying? Yes, it definitely is worth buying. In my opinion, the RX line is the best compact camera you can buy right now. But anyway, that's pretty much it for this video. Love this camera, it's really awesome. I can't say enough good things about it. If you guys want to check it out, there's going to be a link below this video. And if you enjoyed this video and you're finding me for the first time, make sure you hit the thumbs up, subscribe, and turn on those notifications so you can catch more videos in the future. Now, it's all well and good me talking about the 5 top things, new things. There is one major thing that Sony should have done, which they haven't done yet, and it is the mic jack. Where is the mic jack? This camera is fantastic, I love it, but for video, where's the mic jack? Give us a mic jack in the next one, and this will be the finest compact camera ever. But yeah, I guess we'll have to wait for that one. And once again, if you want to check out that video that I did comparing the P20 Pro to the RX100, you'll be surprised at the results. Check it out, see what you think, and leave a comment if you like this video, and also on that video, let me know which one you think won. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Don't be late.